Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the light on your controller in Steam. So if you're using this on your Windows 11 computer or something, you can see my PlayStation 4 controller. I have like a maybe like red or orange light, and this is very easy to go ahead and change in the settings. We can just go up to Steam, scroll on down to settings, select this, go to controller. Then we can go to calibration and advanced settings and just make sure the correct controller support is turned on. So I'm using a PS4 controller and it looks like PlayStation controller support is enabled. But let's go to this section right here and open it up. And it looks like I already have this open over here. And here's our joysticks. If we want to adjust the dead zones, we can do that here. If we have a lot of stick drift or it's very inaccurate, we can change that. Here's the game, rumble, vibrations on our controller, and here's the LED. So we can change the color right here. Just slide this to the right or left. And it looks like more to the right is red and pink and blue. To the left is more red. So we can decide what color we want. So here's a really deep blue. And here's maximum saturation and the brightness. So if I go to this way over here, the controller light is still on and it still looks like. So I can pretty much turn it off. If I go over there, see my controller is barely lit. Then if I go all the way up, you can see it's super bright now. So it's very easy to adjust the light on your controller. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.